You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing YouTube videos. But what happens when you hit publish and crickets? The truth is, simply uploading a video isn't enough. You need to make sure it gets seen. That's where YouTube SEO comes in. Think of SEO as search engine optimization. It's the magic that makes your video appear higher in YouTube search results. When people search for topics related to your video, you want to be at the top of the list. Why is this so important? Because more visibility means more views. More views mean more subscribers, more engagement, and ultimately, more success on YouTube. Whether you're just starting or want to boost your existing channel, mastering YouTube SEO is crucial for getting your content in front of the right audience. Let's dive into the key strategies to make your videos shine. Imagine you're searching for the perfect chocolate cake recipe on YouTube. What words would you type into the search bar? Chocolate cake recipe, of course. These are keywords, and they're the foundation of YouTube SEO. Keywords are the terms people use to find videos like yours. Your goal is to identify relevant keywords that have a good search volume, people are actually searching for them, but aren't overly competitive. Start by brainstorming a list of topics related to your video. Then use keyword research tools like TubeBuddy, VidaQ, or even YouTube's search bar suggestions to find popular keywords in your niche. Think like your viewers. What words would they use to find your content? Choose a mix of broad and long-tail keywords, longer, more specific phrases, to target different search intents. Once you have a solid list of keywords, you can strategically incorporate them into your video's title, description, tags, and even the video content itself. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process, so revisit and refine your keyword strategy regularly. Your video's title is the first thing viewers see, and it plays a crucial role in grabbing their attention. A compelling title can be the difference between a click and a scroll. Think of your title as a headline. It needs to be clear, concise, and attention-grabbing. Include your target keywords naturally, preferably towards the beginning of the title. Don't be afraid to get creative. Use numbers, questions, or power words to pique viewers' curiosity. For example, instead of how to bake a cake, try the ultimate chocolate cake recipe. You won't believe it's homemade. Keep it concise. Aim for titles that are around 60 characters or less to avoid getting cut off in search results. Remember, a great title entices viewers to click and learn more, so make it count. Your video's description is your chance to provide more context and information to both YouTube and potential viewers. It's essential for SEO and for giving viewers a clear understanding of what your video is about. Start with a strong hook that summarizes your video's content and encourages viewers to keep watching. Use your target keywords naturally throughout the description, but don't stuff keywords. Provide valuable information such as timestamps for different sections of your video, links to your website or social media, and calls to action like comment, subscribe. A well-written description can improve your video's ranking, increase watch time, and encourage viewers to engage with your content. Treat it as an opportunity to connect with your audience and provide them with a valuable resource. Section 5. Tag Your It. Maximizing discoverability with tags. Tags are like keywords specifically for YouTube. They help categorize your video and make it easier for the algorithm to understand what your content is about. Using relevant tags can significantly increase your video's visibility. When choosing tags, think about the overall topic of your video, as well as any subtopics or related concepts. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to target different search queries. For example, if your video is about how to make dalgona coffee, your tags could include dalgona coffee, coffee recipe, whipped coffee, home cafe, easy recipes, and so on. Don't go overboard with tags. Stick to around 5 to 10 relevant tags that accurately reflect your video's content. Avoid using misleading tags, as this can harm your video's performance in the long run. Section 6. Thumbnails. Your first impression matters. Before viewers even read your title or description, they see your video's thumbnail. Your thumbnail is like a mini movie poster. It's your chance to make a strong first impression and entice viewers to click. Choose a visually appealing image that accurately represents your video's content. Use bright colors, bold text, and close-up shots to capture attention. Consider incorporating your target keyword into the thumbnail text, as this can improve click-through rates. Keep in mind that your thumbnail should be easily recognizable, even at smaller sizes. A compelling thumbnail can significantly impact your video's performance. Spend time creating a visually appealing and informative thumbnail that accurately reflects your brand and content. Section 7. Watch time, the holy grail of YouTube SEO. Watch time is a crucial ranking factor for YouTube's algorithm. It refers to the total amount of time viewers spend watching your video. The longer viewers watch, the more YouTube sees your video as high quality and engaging. To increase watch time, focus on creating valuable, informative, and entertaining content that keeps viewers hooked. Structure your videos in a way that makes sense and keeps viewers engaged from beginning to end. Use storytelling techniques, humor, or suspense to keep viewers invested in your content. Consider adding pattern interrupts like B-roll footage, animations, or transitions to break up the monotony and keep viewers visually stimulated. Remember, watch time is a key indicator of video quality and viewer satisfaction. By prioritizing watch time, you'll not only improve your SEO, but also create a more enjoyable experience for your audience. Section 8. Likes, comments, and shares. Social signals matter. While watch time is crucial, don't underestimate the power of social signals. Likes, comments, and shares are all positive indicators that tell YouTube your video is engaging and worth promoting. Encourage viewers to interact with your content by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating a sense of community. Make it easy for viewers to share your videos by providing social sharing buttons. Consider running contests or giveaways to incentivize engagement and attract new viewers. The more engagement your videos receive, the more likely they are to be recommended to a wider audience. Remember, social signals are a testament to the quality and shareability of your content. By fostering a sense of community and encouraging interaction, you'll not only boost your SEO, but also build stronger relationships with your viewers. Section 9. Putting it all together. A sample optimization strategy. Let's say you're creating a video about 5 tips for taking amazing travel photos. Here's how you can apply the SEO strategies we've discussed. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords like travel photography tips, best camera settings for travel, photography composition, travel photography gear, and how to take better travel photos. Title. Craft a clickable title like 5 epic travel photography tips for beginners. Description. Write a detailed description that includes your target keywords, timestamps for each tip, links to your photography gear, and a call to action to subscribe for more photography content. Tags. Use a mix of broad and specific tags like travel photography, photography tips, travel vlogging, camera settings, composition, and photography gear. Thumbnail. Create a visually appealing thumbnail featuring a stunning travel photo and bold text that says 5 travel photography tips. Watch time. Structure your video with an engaging intro, clear explanations of each tip, visually appealing B-roll footage, and a compelling call to action at the end. Engagement. Encourage viewers to share their favorite travel photos in the comments, ask questions, and subscribe for more photography content. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. YouTube SEO is always evolving. YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, so it's essential to stay up to date on the latest SEO best practices. Pay attention to YouTube's announcements, follow industry blogs, and experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your channel. Don't be afraid to adapt and refine your approach over time. What worked a year ago might not work today, so it's crucial to be flexible and willing to learn. Remember, YouTube SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. By staying informed and constantly optimizing your content, you'll ensure that your videos continue to reach a wider audience and achieve your desired results. Section 11. Your YouTube journey starts now. Take action. Mastering YouTube SEO takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you'll be well on your way to boosting your video rankings, attracting more viewers, and achieving your YouTube goals. Remember to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Optimize your videos for both search engines and viewers, and don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your approach over time. The most important step is to take action. Start implementing these strategies today and watch as your YouTube channel flourishes. Your audience is waiting to discover your amazing content. Make sure they can find it.